Let's set up my work desk. This work desk that I got is from IKEA. It's the Malm, M-A-L-M. And the reason why I got it is because it's minimalistic in style. It's not hard to assemble. It doesn't have a lot of drawers. It doesn't have a lot of cabinets. It's just simple and easy. Although I had my husband help me put together some parts. We also got a shelving. This is called Billy. It's a 3-tier shelf, and I got it because we also need shelving for books, for paper stuff, and I will also put some decor on it. Now I also got a chair, an office chair, and the one I got is in beige color because I think it will look nice in this room. I'm thinking of a very neutral office. This is my project for the year, and you will be seeing me putting together this room in the next months to come. Now the chair was also so hard. It was hard to put together, so I had my husband do the other stuff. Now, I know that it's so dusty, so I just had to go in there and clean it with some multi-purpose cleaner. I had to wipe it. It was just so dusty. I do want to put together the desk for you right now, but I don't have everything that I need. So this is what I'll be doing for now. I put in a mat and I put in a lamp, laptop, and my mouse. And then for the shelving, that's where I'll be putting my notebooks. And for my drawer, we're going to be putting there my pens, highlighters, etc. I'll be putting an organizing video soon, so stay tuned. That's about it. Thank you for putting together this beautiful desk with me, and stay tuned for more. I'll definitely be putting this room together with you.